Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have the essentials: a GitHub account and the Copilot extension installed. Now sign in with GitHub inside your editor and enable Copilot for the workspace. Once done, open a small project file, JavaScript or Python works well, and place the cursor where you want a suggestion. You'll see inline completions appear as you type, except with tab or peak alternatives. Make sure to set your preferred language mode so Copilot suggests context-aware code. You'll get better results when you guide Copilot with short prompts and descriptive comments above functions. For example, write a one-line docstring and start the function. Copilot will propose implementations. Once suggestions appear, accept with tab or request more options using the inline command. Iterate until the code matches your intent. Also customize the extension settings to control suggestion aggressiveness and languages. This reduces noise and helps Copilot align with your team's style. Finish by validating Copilot's output. Run your tests, linters, and a quick security scan before committing. You must review for licensing or architecture mismatches and edit the suggestions as needed. Copilot is a helper, not the final authority. If suggestions stop appearing, restart the editor, re-authenticate your GitHub session, and inspect the extension output or logs. One key troubleshooting tip: disable other AI/code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.